don't want no more.
Yeah, I'll even have the big one.
No,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. It's about how many seeds is in it.
Yeah, the big one here will have more seeds.
I don't know.
Me, whole thing. Cheers, brother.
Bro, how'd you fucking seeds in it, cunt? Well, I've seen them. Oh, fuck off.
No.
I'll have wiped me mouth, cunt.
No.
Yeah. There's no way I'm leaving that on my lips. I had juice went all over my face, cunt, when I busted open. It's gonna burn me whole face, fuck ya. No way I was leaving that juice on there. It's on there still.
I think just like moving around at an early age was pretty normal for me. Even like all the way back when I was like 7, 8 years old, I like traveled on the train and the bus like by myself.
It's all up me fucking mouth, dog.
That's hot. Yeah.
Around 11, I automatically had a desire to go and like seek out new places to go skate. Get on the train or the bus and go to different places that I've heard about where we were able to skate. This is kind of old traditional Copenhagen.
I'm not ready yet.
Like basically, there wasn't really much street skating going on when I was a kid. But, you know, we tried, but it was definitely difficult to find spots. So we like now the architecture is getting a lot more modern, and the city.
It's got a bit of afterbite.
Active lifestyle in the public space, so we're actually seeing like a lot of skate spots.
I didn't even notice it.
Motherfucker. It's hectic.
Must have swallowed it and now it's like digested it. Coming up into saliva or something.
Holy shit, God.
What? That was the biggest delayed burn. Delayed onset of critical searing.
He was from here, from Copenhagen, and he basically turned.
What sort of chili was that one?
Bird's eye?
Bird's eye chili, man. Delicious. Really yum. Wow. Feel the scorch.
He was like the perfect, I think, role model for
Be
me to aspire to be like, that's what skateboarding looks like.
Oh.
It's like fucking pumped up kicks. Whoa.
The moment I sort of realized I had
everything's just getting worse.
Skateboarding and like being sponsored and maybe turning pro and stuff was at a contest which was like actually right around the corner from my house where we are right now. Yeah, it was an international contest. Open 1990, and there was all kinds of U.S. pros came, and that was actually the spot where I got sponsored at. So I think like from that very moment when I first got sponsored, I think like I just got some like spark like inside where I was like, maybe this can be like a career, or like this is definitely something that I want to try to.
Fucking shit's fucked. That's super hot.
Oh, feeling a bit tripped out, eh?
They're fucking hot, eh?
A bit fucking.
Hoey.
Well, how I turned pro was.
So I can concentrate, it's a little fucking burn.
For a couple of years, and
Thinking about touching my eyes.
And he's like, yeah.
Oh yeah, critical burn, critical burn. Breathe it out.
What do you give that one? A 1 out of 10.
So this must be a later version, but it's still pretty early. It's 94.
1 out of 10. What kind of burn's that, John?
This is the original graphic. So this is my very first graphic that I had. Skateboarding was progressing at that time.
High eight.
Smaller and smaller. So that's why you can tell that, like, in just 2 years, The graphic doesn't even fit on the skateboard anymore. So the original.
Oh, yeah, he said.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, hurts, eh?
I want to say it was
Might,
Eat that end part there of that habanero.
I don't think I can withstand any more burn. Because we were fucking scorching before even I was being scorched for like an hour.
How long's this been?
Not that long.
Great news. Yeah, great telephone call that day.
Fuck off, it's been 10
Are
minutes.
we gonna finish this plate?
Mash, T-board.
If I eat that bit, you gotta smash that up.
We did to the States. So the original flip team,
You're a
they were the
cunt.
US when we came out.
What else you put in
I'll
there?
smash that. You
Chili seed in your cigar.
And Andy Scott. And yeah, again, no Photoshop. We're actually like in the middle of the river.
Fuck off, cunt.
Rambo.
Turn it off.
Can't handle the heat.
And this one was also.
Can't handle the heat, bro.
Well, the reason we decided to move to the US was basically because
Make your eyes water, that's about.
was dying in Europe.
No
On the
water.
COVID scale, it's about fucking make your eyes water.
Being a sustainable
Your lips
company,
burn and that.
being able to sell boards and all this kind of stuff, it just wasn't happening. So,
Can't even
I
talk,
guess
mate.
Flip as a company needed a bigger market to